What's up, guys? So let's catch up on what's been happening here for the last 4 days. So on Wednesday, I had my friend's daughter over here and we were able to plant the hydrangeas I got, as well as some of the other potted plants or bushes that I had got from the big box store, and I just wasn't able to plant at the time that I planted my bulb. And so that's what we have right here. We have peonies and then we have hydrangeas. I don't exactly remember what these two were, but we up-potted those as well. They're looking a little sad right now, but I've been watering them every day and they should come back. That same day, we got a wood chip drop, that pile that you see right there. If you've never heard of Chip Drop, that's where I signed up to get these wood chips. As soon as we closed on our house, I signed up for Chip Drop, and this was my first delivery of wood chips. It wasn't a lot, but every bit counts. When I have this garden, it's mostly broken up, and so I was thinking about using them to fill the bottom of my raised beds and then putting the compost on top. Some other exciting things is more tulips have been opening, and they're so pretty. So these white ones, and then I saw we have this pretty red one which looks gorgeous, and I've already showed you the white and pinkish ones, so that's really exciting. Some more exciting things is I found sprouts all over the garden. This bed that we planted the lilies in at the bottom right here, as well as, I don't see any of those, but definitely there are lilies in here that are all popping up. At first we only had this one, but now we have some all over the place. Also have sprouts all throughout this bed. Even already have radish seeds where my daughter planted radish seeds down through the middle of this bed, so that's exciting. So another exciting thing that happened on Wednesday was this delivery. So I ordered my seed potatoes from Wood Prairie Family Farm. They are located in Maine, and I ordered their bundle that had like 20 different varieties of potatoes, and I want to do a separate video and show you all the different varieties I got, but there are 1 pound of each potatoes because it is almost time to plant potatoes. And I have to get them out that pack and just sit them out because I'm not going to be planting them for at least another 2 weeks. And so definitely don't want them sitting inside and getting rotten, and they need to sprout. Thursday was a really busy day as well. My son had his first baseball game, so that was really exciting. So we went to that. Then Friday, my youngest daughter, my 3-year-old, turned 4. So we had fun having a breakfast, birthday party, and it was really exciting. It was a very peaceful, quiet, restful day after we opened gifts and ate treats, and it was awesome. Which leads us to today. Today is Saturday, and my son had another baseball game. It was actually only an hour game, so that was pretty quick, but it was like an hour away, so it took a long time to get back. We just got back, and I am in the garden because I am determined to get some gardening done. It is a beautiful day. We have the next 10-day forecast with no freeze in the night. The highs in the night are like 50s and 60s. I even saw a day where it's going to be in 2 days where it's going to be in the 80s. So spring is definitely upon us here in South Carolina. I know we still, our estimated frost date is around, I guess, April 1st, April 2nd, but definitely starting to feel a lot like spring, or I should say fake spring. We've been gone mostly all morning. I think we left around 9 or 10, and we just got back after 3 p.m. So I immediately came out into the garden and grabbed my camera, and we're out here watering seeds. I was so excited to show you guys all the sprouts that we have growing. I need to get to taking out those potatoes and separating them. You guys saw I was able to water all of my starts inside, and all of my seeds that I've started as well. I was able to water those. I did see that we have lots of sprouts. I haven't checked on them in probably 3 days, and so we had lots of sprouts in there as well, and I was able to get those watered. I also fertilized my tomatoes and peppers. I have basil that smells amazing. I cannot wait to get it ready to come into the garden.